In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a carousel in Framer, a fantastic tool for web design that lets you bring your ideas to life interactively. Framer provides you with a plethora of options to customize your projects, and today we'll focus on harnessing its carousel component. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have your Framer project open and ready to go. If you haven't created one yet, go ahead and set up a new project. You can do this by simply selecting New Project from the main menu, choosing your preferred layout, and then giving it a suitable name. Having the base of your project set up is crucial as it ensures you have a working space prepared for adding more dynamic elements, such as the carousel. Once your project is open, direct your attention to the left toolbar. This toolbar serves as your primary navigation hub within Framer, where you will find all the components and tools you need to design and build your web pages. We'll be focusing on the Insert option located prominently in this toolbar. Go ahead and give it a click. This action will open up a variety of components that you can add to your project, each designed to help enhance the functionality and aesthetic of your web page. Now we're going to search for the carousel component. To do this, simply type carousel into the search bar within the Insert panel that just opened up. The search function is incredibly handy in Framer, as it helps you quickly locate the component you're looking for, without having to manually sift through all the available options. Once you've entered your search query, you should see the carousel component appear in the results. With the carousel component visible, it's time to incorporate it into your page. Click and hold the carousel, then drag it onto your workspace. As you bring it over your page, take note of how Framer allows you to position and size it according to your layout needs. Feel free to place it anywhere you think would be most effective for your design and ensure that it complements the rest of your elements seamlessly. And there you have it. The carousel component is now part of your project. At this point, you can start tweaking it to better fit your vision, whether that means adjusting its size, modifying its style, or setting up the content that will scroll through it. Framer grants you the flexibility to do so. Remember, the carousel is not only a visual component, but an interactive one that can significantly enhance user engagement on your site. In conclusion, with these simple steps, you've learned how to add a carousel in Framer. By using Framer's intuitive interface, inserting dynamic components like a carousel can be achieved swiftly and without hassle, allowing you more time to focus on crafting a visually stunning and effectively functional web design.